Hello, beautiful people, lovers of good things, lovers of goodwill all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so dearly for always supporting this platform. I really do appreciate. In case you are hearing our voice for the first time, or you are coming across us for the first time, we still remain your one and only Progress News, giving it to you back to back. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and
yo my people, when I see this one now after 7 to 8 years, Nana I know say Buhari government no favor Nigerians. Nana this man know say APC party no favor Nigeria. Nigeria no benefit from APC party. Igbo politicians make una wise up. Igbo politicians as una believe for that one Nigeria make una wise up. Now this the same man where they come out every day, every time for TV station, they say Buhari na the best, APC party na the best party in the world. Now this the same man now, just few months now to election. Now you know say Buhari government no favor Nigeria and APC fair Nigeria. Now this man become the angel of Nigerians. You see Northerners, you see them, they can play politics. They can play politics. You see all those wuru things, Northerners na them be number one. But people think say all these Northerners they no get sense. They get sense, pass all those ones where they claim say they know everything, they don't know bam. All those ones where they carry their own people, they submit for post. They don't know anything. They don't know anything. They just the boy where they be. For all those where all those Northerners dey na boy where they be. See 7 to 8 years this man never knows say Buhari government no favor Nigeria. Now where this man they come out now, they do all those amansi wey they do now. They think say we be cow. These people think say we Nigerians na cow. These people think say everybody wey dey Nigeria na cow. Where if they say you will go. They think everybody where they Nigeria a cow. See waiting, see as they jump up and down. Now they don't become everybody friend. Now they don't become the best people in the world. After 2023 election, then we go know whether we go see them for street again. Igbo politicians, charge. Igbo politicians need to wise up. They need to open they never open eye. But the thing say they sabi everything. They never know anything. In terms of politics, they never know anything. Now boy they just they do up and down. Now boy. See I say, Northern people, they play politics. They play politics. But Igbo politicians just they carry their own people. They find posts. Just they carry their own people. They find opportunity. We be say the Northerners, they play the game. They play the game. No matter any fight where they fight, you no go see them. The only time where you go see Northern people now, they challenge each other now during this election now. After election now, you no go hear Akame again. Say this one a bad person, this one no good, this one you no go hear them. And anything where they do, they seal and there. They go come out outside to do maybe smaller amansi, make it not be like say they know talk. But they know what they do within themselves. They know themselves. They know what they do. But Igbo politicians, this one go wrong go SI, this one go wrong go Jamaica, this one go wrong go this side. This one die against this one die against his people. Now so they play politics. See people they play normal politics.
Now,
since this man a day for 7 to 8 years, never decamp. He never say anything bad against Buhari. He never say anything bad against APC government. But now, where this man they talk about APC do this one, APC do that one, APC na this one, APC na that. Just few months now to election. Now you know say APC na this na that. People will go full and go still full because they don't already use frustration finish Nigerians, some of Nigerians. So people dey find where they go, at least the way they go see food chop. So anything wey they do, anything wey they talk, they just dey follow them. Yo, my people wey do this video, e no go better for them. Oh, people wey do this video, they congratulate Hope Uzodinma, e no go better for them. The condition wey Hope Uzodinma put for Imo State, I wish them the same in their all their country, anywhere where they come from. Me, I wish them the same. People wey do this video, they need to go to Imo State and see wetin Hope Uzodinma wey dey congratulate now, wetin he do for Imo State. And those things, anything wey they wish to Imo people, e go reach to their state, e go reach to their country, one after the other. All of them wey do this video, anybody wey plan this video, they congratulate Hope Uzodinma for waiting, for killing innocent Imo people, or for which wetin Hope Uzodinma do for wetin good wey Hope Uzodinma do for Imo State, where all these rubbish people go come out, they say congratulations to Hope Uzodinma. Anything wey they wish Imo people go reach them one after the other. People wey do this video, they need to slap them. They know they see road. They know they see how Imo State turned to Sambisa forest. They know they see how innocent Imo people they die every day. Innocent youth they die every day, and they come out, they say congratulations, Hope Uzodinma. Which hope? Waiting Hope Uzodinma, the best governor of the year. Yeah, the best killing of the year. Congrats, the best killing of the year. Congrats, Hope Uzodinma. These people, I don't know where these people come from, sef. Any country where they come from, anything where they wish to Imo people, go reach them, go reach their country. They must witness wetin Imo people they witness from Hope Uzodinma. Imo was the best state before. Imo was a place where you say if you go relax, chill, free, you feel free. But this time now, Imo na war. If the Sambisa forest don't better pass Imo State, we know say na war dey that side. They say congratulations. Congratulations for killing your people. These people, ma hear una dey again say congratulations to Hope Uzodinma. The condition wey Imo State dey, una like am. But una rest, abeg. Na me be brother calling. Na me dey talk.
In fact, wonders shall never end, my people. The way you people see, that is why I also saw it too. But the video, I'm unable to bring it here because of the music that is in the background. That is the background music. Will give me some copyright also. But the video is all about UK citizen, either the working partner. I don't really know the work that Hope Uzodinma is partnering with them. And suddenly they make this video and they were congratulating Hope Uzodinma for his best performance as the governor of the year 2022. I say, shoo, that Hope Uzodinma has been doing a great job. They were thanking him, what he was doing in Imo State, and that Hope Uzodinma is the best governor of the year. He's the wonderful governor in Southeast. He's well known, well recognized. He has been doing a great job. I say, is it time for the UK to be calling results of governors that are doing well or not? But anyways, I just understand that it's individual, okay? It's possible, everything is possible, okay? Can't do anything to get the fame or the good name that he wanted. Is it that he's the best governor because of what is going on in Imo State, the crisis in Imo State, the insecurity? So I don't really know. Thank you once again for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. Do want to drop your opinion in the comment section. I will be so glad to read and learn from it. See you when I see you. From me to you, from here, I said bye.